Hey bro, what's up? Oh no, has this happened to you? That you send a text message too fast and you just realize it has a bunch of errors. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this by delaying a text message to be sent out, so you can actually double check before it gets sent out after you hit the button. Or actually you can even schedule a text message to be sent later. Okay, I'm going to show you how. For this, I recommend you to download an app called Textra SMS on the Play Store. The reason why is because this app gives you extra features that the native Android messaging app doesn't have. So this cool stuff you can find it here on this Textra SMS. It's completely free. Once you install the app, you can add the features like I mentioned. For instance, here, if I want to delay the send out, I can go here and go to settings, and if you go down here on sending, you'll see send delay. So I can configure how many seconds I want the app to delay the message to be sent out after I hit the button, the send button I mean. So right now I have it on no delay, but I can add 1, 2, 3 up to 9 seconds. Let's say I want to add 3. Okay, so I'm going back. Then now let me try to send something again. Hey, what's up? I hit send. Then I realize it's wrong, so I can still cancel. Send, it's loading, then I can cancel. You see? So let me say that I fix it. Oh, sorry. Works. Oh, I send it. And yeah, you can leave it and it will be sent out. Okay, that's a nice feature. Another cool feature is that you can actually schedule a text message to be sent out later. So let's say I want to send hi. Then if you hit the plus button, you can see the little clock here and actually schedule the date and time you want the message to be sent out. So once you set the time, you can put, let's say, in 2 hours. Okay, so I hit it, and you see here it's gonna be sent out at the time I've scheduled it. So yeah, please give it a try. I think this app has much more than the native app to offer in terms of messaging. So if you like the video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.